Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. I was thinking about going shopping today. Do you want to come with me?
Sure, that sounds fun. What do you need to buy?
Well, I need to buy a lot of things. First, I need some groceries, like fruit, vegetables, and snacks. I also need to buy some clothes.
Oh, that's a lot of shopping. What kind of clothes do you need?
I need a new dress for a party this weekend, and maybe a jacket because it's getting cold.
That's a good idea. I think I'll buy a sweater. It's cold in the mornings now. Do you have any stores in mind?
Yes, there's a nice store in the mall that has good dresses. After that, we can go to the supermarket for food.
Sounds good to me. I need some things too, like bread, milk, and eggs. I also need some shampoo and toothpaste.
Okay, let's make a plan. First, we can go to the clothing store, and then we'll go to the supermarket. After that, maybe we can stop by the pharmacy for your shampoo and toothpaste.
Perfect! By the way, what kind of dress are you looking for?
I'm not sure. I think I want something colourful, maybe red or blue. What do you think?
I think red would look great on you. Let's see if they have some nice dresses at the store.
Thanks. I hope I find something nice. What about you? Do you need any new clothes?
I actually need some jeans. My old ones are a bit worn out. I'm thinking of buying a pair of black jeans. They go with everything.
That's true. Black jeans are always a good choice. Let's look for a nice pair for you too.
Wow, they have so many dresses here. Look at this one, Emma. It's red and looks so pretty.
Oh, I love it. Let me try it on. What do you think?
It looks amazing on you. The colour suits you really well. You should get it.
Thanks. I think I will. Now let's find some jeans for you.
Sure, look. These black jeans seem nice. Do you think they'll fit me?
They look perfect. Try them on.
They fit really well. I'll get these.
Great! Now that we're done with clothes, let's head to the supermarket.
Okay, first on my list is bread. What about you?
I need some bananas and apples. I want to make a fruit salad.
Yum, I love fruit salad. I'll get some oranges for it too. What vegetables do you need?
I'm thinking of getting tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce. I want to make a salad for dinner.
That sounds healthy. I'll get some carrots and potatoes. I think I'll make a soup this week.
That's a good idea. Soup is perfect for this cold weather. Do you need any snacks?
Yes, I need some cookies for my tea. What about you?
I'll grab some chips and chocolate. I always like to have a little snack at night.
Me too. I love having cookies or chocolate while watching a movie. Do we need anything else?
I think I'm done with food. What about drinks? Do you need any?
I need some orange juice. Do you like juice or water more?
I usually drink water, but sometimes I like juice.
That sounds good. Let's grab them and head to the checkout.
That was fun. I feel like we got everything we needed.
Yes, it was a good shopping trip. I'm happy with my jeans and groceries.
And I'm excited to wear my new dress. Thanks for coming with me today.
Anytime. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Let's go home now. I'm ready to relax.
Me too. I can't wait to watch a movie tonight with my snacks.
Sounds perfect. See you soon, Sarah.
See you, Emma.
Shopping. I enjoy shopping for new clothes at the mall. We went shopping last weekend and found some great deals. Repeat 10 second. Groceries. I need to buy some groceries for dinner tonight. We picked up fresh fruit and vegetables while doing our grocery shopping. Repeat 10 second. Clothes. I need to buy some winter clothes because it's getting cold. She always chooses the most stylish clothes for every occasion. Repeat 10 second. Dress. I'm looking for a red dress to wear to the party. She tried on a beautiful dress at the store. Repeat 10-second. Jacket. Don't forget to bring your jacket, it's cold outside. I bought a new jacket that matches my boots. Repeat 10-second. Sweater. I always wear a cozy sweater in the winter. She knitted a wool sweater for her friend Dot. Repeat 10-second. Toothpaste. I forgot to pack my toothpaste for the trip. This toothpaste helps keep my teeth white. Repeat 10-second. Checkout. We waited in line at the checkout for 10 minutes. I forgot my wallet when I got to the checkout counter. Repeat 10-second.